Okay guys, I'm back. Yes, you just saw me. I look just like this. It's amazing. No, it's not amazing. I'm just am filming a different video. So, we're gonna go through my carousel of love here. The only thing I took out for my switch up for the month was I put my Dior and my, sorry, my ears are hurting. My Dior and my Estee Lauder Double Wear. So I pulled some foundations out, some things I already had out, and so the first thing I do like this CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir. I am in the shade 732. Is that right? It's called Nude Beige. It's a lightweight, full coverage makeup, oil-free. So, I've got that in here. Oh, hold on a second. My hubby's texting me. Wanted to know when he wanted lasagna for dinner. My sweetie. Okay, so the other thing I left out, I've been talking to you guys, I've been wearing this Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-hour foundation. I'm going to give it a couple, maybe one or two more tries. I wore it Friday, this past Friday, or Thursday at work, and I did break out a little bit from it. So we're going to just try that one more time. And then I pulled out, hey! I'm going to kill my dogs. I have a feeling an iPad's going to get broken in this process. So then I pulled out my CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous. I'm in number 205. This is also a Fresh Complexion Oil-Free Foundation. This is another one I wore recently and had a little bit of a breakout. Nothing lasting, but a little bit of a breakout. So I want to give it another shot and see. And then I have my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. I am in light medium. Oh, my dogs are going to knock this camera over. I'm in light medium, so I pulled that out as well. It's not going to set there. It's not going to set there. It's going to have to lay down. Ooh, lay down. And then I have this. It's brand new. It's brand new to me. I think I had it one time before, and I did like it. I did enjoy it. But it's the Dream Liquid Mousse Airbrush Finish. I picked up 40 Nude. So I'm going to start using this month and see. So all drugstore except for one high-end. And I would say it's mid-range. Yeah. I have to use up foundation or I can't buy any more. Actually, I ordered more foundation. And I bought one today. I ordered the Ordinary foundation and the primer for that. So I can try it out and tell you guys how much I love it. So, I am going to go through my little drawer here. And there's some things that I just won't take out. But I've had these MAC setting powders. So I use Light. This is the Mineralized Skin Finish. I use Light under my eyes. These are dusty. Powdery, should I say. So that's what I use under my eyes when I use my MAC stuff. And then I am in a light medium, I think. Medium plus. Medium plus for the rest of my face. So, under eye, rest of my face. I'm going to put my MAC away for this month. I'm going to leave out my MAC blush. I had this MAC Oh Darling highlighter out, but I think I'm going to put that away too. But I will leave out my Mocha. Of course, my Hourglass. And I had this Givenchy blush out. I'm probably going to put that away as well. Alright. So I always have my backup drawer of foundations. I'm going to put a couple of these away. And actually, I'm going to leave them out. I just stuck in there the e.l.f. foundation that I just recently got. I don't know when this sucker goes bad. I got a lot of foundation out. So I had this Milani 2-in-1 foundation. I'm going to give this one shot. One shot. It is so full coverage and so cakey on my face that I don't think I like it anymore. But I'm going to try it using this sponge from EcoTools and see if that helps keep it down some. So I'll leave that out as well. You know, we'll try and do some stuff. I am going to, so I bought this Hydro Prime. It's been out. I saw somebody use it. I want to say, oh, it was Tati. I was watching Tati and she really liked it. It's not for me. I used it one time. I'm going to stick it into the next like giveaway thing for you guys so you guys can check it out. So I'm going to go and search through my drawers. Bet you want to come with me. Don't you? Not this time. Yeah. I've got you all set up in this new setup. I'm not mobile right now. I'm sorry. I'll think it through next time. But I'll be back in one little minute. I'm just going to go grab some highlighter and some blush. And then we're going to talk about palettes. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back from shopping my stash. So I put a few things away that we had done some dupes and some stuff on. So I put a couple of Makeup Revolution palettes away. And I put my Kristen Leanne palette away. What else? Oh, and I put my Buxom White Russian palette away. So we are going to, I pulled out some things. I did not pull out any bronzers because Oko's acting crazy. So I didn't pull out any bronzers because I want to try to use up what I have in my stash. But I did pull out some illuminators. One is in Might Be, and it's a ColourPop highlighter. These are so stinking soft and just fabulous. Just absolutely fabulous. So I always forget about this. So it's one of their actually super shock cheeks, but I use it as a highlighter. Sorry, you hear the dogs are having a little tiff. Then I pulled out my Mary Luminizer. Say it right, Susan. And we're going to put that over here, which is just a little bit lighter. And I think I will enjoy it once my skin gets to be a little bit darker. And then I pulled out this High Beam from Benefit. I do not know that I'm going to like this. It's a liquid product. I'm not used to using liquid products. But I'm going to open it up. We're going to see what it looks like. And then, if I don't like it, I'm sure one of you will. So it has a brush like a eyeshadow brush. So that's it on my arm, right in here, right here. That's it. So it's really subtle. It's a light pink. I don't even know what color I have. Just says satiny pink illuminator. So we're gonna try that. I don't know where you're gonna sit, but we're gonna find a spot for you. My organization skills. I'm sorry I got my back to you. That's horrible, right? It's horrible. You shouldn't turn your back on people. It's rude. I apologize. Alright, so I pulled out 3 blushes. I'm going to show you what I got. One is Blush Like You Meant It from Dose of Colors. It's a very peachy color. And I had forgotten what color it was. It's interesting. I pulled out another peachy color. They're almost the same. I'm probably going to put my Blush Like You Meant It away then. And we'll focus on using up this. I'm not using it up. We're not going to use it up. This is my Tarte Seduce blush. So we'll stick that right in here. And then I also pulled out, I've got makeup all over me. So when I bought that High Beam, I also bought the Benetint, like the cheek tint. I don't know if I'm going to like this either, but we're going to try it. If I don't, I know that one of you guys will like it. Because we want to share. So I'm sure this is the same kind of thing. A brush, it is. That's pretty rosy. Yeah, I don't know how that's going to work on my skin. See right here? It's a little bit rosy. It looks reddish, you know, you can see it on my finger. It looks reddish when you put it on. And then, depending on, I guess, how much you blend it out, boy, I could pull out 5 million of these wipes at once. But if I needed more than one, I could only get one out. Unbelievable. Alright. And then I also have my Sleek palette that I picked up when I was shopping. So I pulled out some drugstore things just because I'm kind of in a drugstore kind of mood this month. So, and I believe all of these are still available. I will double check. But I pulled out my NYX Cosmic Metals palette along with my NYX Perfect Filter palette. This one is in Rustic Antique is what it's called. And then I pulled out it's another palette from NYX. It's also a Perfect Filter palette, and this one is in Olive You. Isn't that clever? I love you. So I did pull out, they're having a fight back there. I did pull out this little inner corner color. This is from Wet n Wild. It's called Sugar. And then lastly, I pulled out, and this you can't get anymore. I just pulled it out because I have been enjoying her Kathleen Lights palette from Butsy. Stop it. The Kathleen Lights palette from Stop it. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. I'm going to get the words out as soon as they leave me alone. The Kathleen Lights palette from ColourPop. So I had the Kathleen Lights palette from Morphe, so I decided to pull that out and give it a try. I haven't used it at all. But yeah. So, that's what I've pulled for the month, and we'll play with it some, and I'll also play with some of the things I picked up the past few days from the store and things that have come in the mail. But this is kind of where I'm going to focus for the month and see how I like it. I'm pretty sure you can get these perfect filter palettes still. Alright, guys. What you think? What you think? I think we'll figure out what I like, what I don't, what I'm going to share, and we'll see. I did not, now that I have all my lipstick out, you guys have seen those videos hopefully by now. Now that I have all my lipstick out, I don't have to pull any lipstick out or put any lipstick away. It's all out in front of me, which will mean I will use it more and will get more use out of it. So, alright guys, I am going to let the camera charge a little bit, and then I am going to do a look at the Blood Sugar palette. We're going to do a little playing. I don't have any eye makeup on, just a little bit of mascara and my brows, so hopefully we can do this and see how we like it. Alright guys, see you in the next video.